Welcome back to Hawk's Prairie PT. In this episode, we're going to be talking about nerve flossing. The nerves in the body need three important things for optimal function: space, blood, and movement. Nerve flossing is a way to gently mobilize compressed or irritated nerves through a set of simple exercises. To floss the median nerve, start with your arm fully outstretched, your head bent towards your arm, and your wrist extended. Flex at the elbow to bring your hand to your shoulder while simultaneously bending your neck away from your arm. To floss the ulnar nerve, start with your arm fully extended, your neck bent away from your arm, and your palm facing up while your pointer finger and thumb create a circle. The key to this exercise is understanding that as the elbow flexes and the neck bends towards the hand, the arm internally rotates, making it so that the pinky comes towards the top of the head. To floss the radial nerve, start with your arm extended behind you with your wrist flexed and your head bent towards your arm. Bend at the elbow, bringing your hand to your mouth as if you're eating an apple, and bend your neck away at the same time. To floss the sciatic nerve, start in a slouched forward seated position. Your head will point down while your feet touch the floor. As you extend your knee, extend your neck as well, looking straight up into the air. Finish this exercise by flexing at the knee and the neck back to starting position. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as we will be posting more exercise and rehabilitation content for you in the near future.